This video is going to show you how to use Canva to create beautiful, professional-looking posters. We're just going to go to canva.com. You're going to sign in using Google or create an account using Google. I'm already signed in, so I'm just going to create a design. We want to use poster for this assignment. Now you're going to see dozens, hundreds, maybe even thousands of templates here, and I don't want you to get too lost up in it. So just type in political, and you're going to get a bunch of templates that actually fit what we're trying to accomplish, which is create a political campaign ad. Now, any one of these can be edited so that you can change all of the elements. Now, if you choose one that you see this like kind of hash marks across, don't use that. That one's going to cost you money. So I'm going to use this one right here, and you can edit any one of the elements that are on here. Make sure that you're going to include your name on this political campaign ad. You can also drag these items around and put them wherever you would like. I also want to get rid of these pictures that don't have anything to do with me. I've already uploaded my own picture here. There it is. And these are the items that you need to make sure that you include: the office you are running for, at least 2 issues that you will support, and use one of the political ad strategies that we've discussed. So I want to make sure I change any one of these elements that doesn't fit what I'm trying to accomplish here. I also want to include the office that I'm running for. And these elements here can overlap. So if you right click, you can send backward and it will bring it behind those other elements here. Okay, so again, you can edit any one of these elements here so that it'll fit with your project. Now, once you are done, you're gonna go up here to the little box with the arrow. You're going to share the link, copy this, and you will then post that link in the assignment in Google Classroom so that we can actually see what that poster looks like. Okay, good luck. I hope that people actually vote for you. I hope that you get elected. See ya.